Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Goda.
I'm Neela.
So today we are gonna do a very fun challenge. We are gonna do.
Okay, I wasn't ready for it. I thought she's gonna do it. I was like, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do guess the cartoon character. Most of them are of 90s.
So we've actually come across this video like randomly, and we were like, oh, that would be a good challenge, because yeah, like we swear we didn't watch it.
Yeah.
That was like I agree we watched the first one, so we're gonna skip the first one.
Yeah.
So then the minute we saw the first one, like, oh, let's do a
This is-
video, let's
yeah.
not watch again,
Yeah.
like, you know. So first one we're gonna skip. From the second one we're gonna, like, you know, take, because disclaimer, we used to watch a lot of cartoons,
Yeah.
but
It's
we are not sure if you're good with names, and like I don't know.
I mean, we remember the character, but we don't
No,
remember
names
the
and
It's like
stuff.
JK. I remember the face, but I don't. I know the face, but I don't know the
name. I know the movie, but I don't know the movie's name. Iconic. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. And yeah,
And also we have some
French fries. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Rhythm.
so we're gonna start.
Yes.
Let's go. Okay. We're setting this up, I'm sorry. It's taking koncham time.
Okay.
We'll start.
Okay. First, let's open the tips.
They're kind of soggy, but okay.
పచ్చడిలో
Yeah,
ఉన్నా
kada?
ఓకే దట్స్ పచ్చడి
It's bad. I don't know what that is, but it's bad. I don't like it. After taste is good, but
No, I didn't like the aftertaste.
after taste is good.
Okay. I'm starting it.
Start.
Can you guess them?
Can you? I feel like you will. I'll be very upset if I won't, you know, if I don't guess Pokemon related stuff. I feel like I won't, but I'm just like, you know.
Yeah. Let's go.
We're gonna skip this one.
Skip the first one. The worst thing is that you already saw it and again I forgot the name, you know. Okay, number two.
Who's that?
X-Men.
X-Men. I'm like something X-Men.
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 Yeah.
I got confused for a second because he's like, who's that Pokemon? And that's not a Pokemon. See? That bear. That bear is as close.
Yeah, it's like again the JK scene. I know, but I don't know the name.
Legit. Some.
I would have never guessed the name.
But I know his face. It's not a Pokemon, but okay.
Aladdin.
Cool, bro. Cool.
It should be Aladdin.
It will be funny if it's not Aladdin. You're so confident, Aladdin. Fine. Huh? Is it that?
No. And the cats.
They're not cats.
Ugly cockroaches.
Cockroaches, they're not cats. Something cockroaches. I'm like, they're not ants, cockroaches.
Oh shit. No, it's not them.
R.I.P. Sorry. Who? Goku.
Goku no.
Goku. No, Goku. It's Dragon Ball Z. Goku. Hurry, shit, I'll get a slap from Solo if I get it wrong. Dragon Ball Z.
Okay, you get that.
Goku. You know, yeah, it's Goku. Goku, yeah.
Batman. Pokemon.
I don't know why they're saying who's the. Okay. They're saying a lot of time, but okay.
Who's that Pokemon? Cruising on down Main Street.
But again, I can understand it's a tail.
Yeah, I guess it's like Digit Pokemon.
No, I don't think
It's a car and it has a tail.
Naughty, no, Naughty doesn't have it.
I don't know. I never watched this.
No, this was after our age, I guess.
Who's that Pokemon?
Bubbles.
No, not Bubbles.
Oh, sorry, not that I mixed.
Bubbles. The Dexter sister.
I know. D. Yeah.
Yeah, Bubbles.
Oh, I got
Who's that Pokemon?
That I know the kids, they're like small babies, which
yeah.
are terrifying. But
I don't know the name. Sorry, I will not. I can't even try.
no, they're that annoying people. Not annoying. Rugrats.
Oh, okay.
Babies, I just call them babies.
Who's that Pokemon?
I know this guy. That guy has black or he's blue something.
I guess it has yellow hair.
It has some blackish blue. It gives you that Mickey Mouse.
Oh.
Blue.
Who's that Pokemon?
Animal Planet. What is it? They have all different kind of drinks.
What?
I know. One is air and one is water. They all do this together. Some
Power
animal
Rangers
or something. No, it's not Power Rangers. See Captain Planet.
Oh, I just remember. Oh.
Who's that Pokemon?
Superman.
Oh, yeah. I don't know why
I
I took
swear.
that. For some reason, I was thinking Powerpuff was that
Father of
the laboratory.
father. Superman. You know it's a Superman. No.
Who's that Pokemon?
Powerpuff Girls.
She loves it.
Who's that Pokemon?
It's a human being.
I have no clue.
Is that bacha with without much hair and just strangled?
That even I can think of. No, I have no clue actually.
50-50, maybe I know it, but
Who's that Pokemon?
who is it?
Hey, Johnny Bravo!
I was Johnny Depp.
I don't know.
Where there? Sassy.
I guess you're doing very loud.
Sorry. We're just too excited for some reason.
That Pokemon.
How many do we have there? Is it cowboy? It's a duck. With the legs you can.
Yeah.
It's a duck.
Or is it that
Hmm.
I don't know.
Wow.
I've never.
I'm sorry, but I didn't know your English. They're bachas. I mean, they're bachas.
Oh, I was thinking it was baby Looney Tunes.
No, they're not baby in the film.
Tiny Toons.
It's baby Looney Tunes only, the younger version.
Who's that Pokemon?
Charizard. No, Charizard. Charizard. No, gee, I just pronounced it so bad.
No, you were telling about the Pokemon name?
Defenders of the night.
Yeah.
We are gargoyles.
I know this kid with that yellow and that he has yellow hair. Yellow hair.
I have no clue.
I used to be fascinated by this kid, like the hair, bro.
Oh, yeah. I remember watching it. We are getting bad at it. Do you know?
For a second, I was about to say that pink colored dog. Oh no.
Oh, that is different. That's creepy.
I have nightmares because of that.
Seriously. Spider-Man.
It will be bad if it's not Spider-Man though.
I guess it is Spider-Man. What is it? No, the position one seems like it's Spider-Man.
Is it just me or even you feel there's no Pokemon till now?
You're waiting for Pokemon, right?
No, I'm having the anxiety that I might not remember anything. That's not Adam Family.
No, I know this.
Hurry, I know Reese's. No, that chick has big. That kid has like big glasses and stuff.
I can see that.
No, like I genuinely used to watch it.
Yeah. Oh,
Reese's!
Right. Yeah, even I used to watch
Who's that Pokemon?
Cockroaches, Augie and
it. No,
it's done, no?
no, it's not done. But I don't think so it's done.
Why is the baby crying?
Creepy. I have
Dear, what monsters are?
from now on, we'll randomly give names.
Pokemon.
TV, it's holding a TV, huh?
Blackboard. I don't know.
I guess it's a TV.
No, we don't know this, so we're not even guessing anything. Oh!
Huh?
How? I
When watched?
I don't know.
Who's that Pokemon?
90s are they?
No. I give up, bro. I don't know all these. Do you have any idea? Bonus round. Wow, it will never the bonus round. This might be hard, okay?
Sheesh.
I mean, really hard.
I feel
Like you might just want to leave hard. What?
okay, we might.
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm sorry, but yeah.
Fine. Don't say I didn't warn you, okay?
Why am I? I'm scared, I am. Is it weird?
Pokemon.
Pokemon! Pikachu!
You know, the minute you said Pokemon, I was like, I should have guessed it. And you know, that slap thapuk. He was sitting, that's why I couldn't for a second, but then Pikachu ka.
Yeah, tail. Okay. No
No
more jokes. Time for
a
real
real
challenge.
challenge.
Oh, that was a joke, okay. This may be challenge of your life. Not many people have heard of this, okay? But give it a go. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready for it?
Boom, boom, boom.
Bonus 2.
Who's that Pokemon?
Who lives in a pineapple?
SpongeBob!
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he. Nautical nonsense be something you wish. Then drop on the deck and
I don't know why, but it's like it's here, but it's not coming out. I'm like, yeah, I know this.
Okay, we are done. Yep.
Hi.
Actually, I don't know these scores.
Scores? We were. No scores.
Because I know you lost Anikada.
Yeah, daughter.
Yeah. Now, as revenge, she's gonna treat me with
With what? Nothing.
pizza or shawarma. Choice is yours.
Pizza. How many pizza? No.
Okay, so she's so disappointed.
No, I told you, no. At the beginning of this challenge, only I was like, if I don't guess Pokemon, I'll be very
Mad at
disappointed.
yourself.
I swear, I was like, yeah, I know that. And when she said, I'm like, yeah. Like, why did I just say it?
Okay, so that's it with this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please comment down and let us know. if what other kind of challenges you want us to do, like, you know, guess the Disney theme songs or guess the cartoon theme songs or anything of that kind, we will definitely do it. Until then,
Like,
comment
share.
and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, and yeah, thankful for subscribing, whoever is subscribing. Bye. Okay.